I open up the canvas, it's a blank slate. Time to build a masterpiece, can't be late. First thing I need is my pen tool tight. Drawing paths that feel just right. Then I hit the brush tool, paint it bold with every stroke. My story's told, I use the razor, clean up the mess. Make sure each line is nothing but finesse. Layers on layers, stacking them high. I've got my magic wand reaching for the sky. Selection so clean, edges so sharp. Building my world with every mark. In the world of Photoshop, I'm in control. From the move tool to the clone stamp roll. I'm mixing colors, designing with flair. Creating a vision that's beyond compare. With gray into red liquify. Watch my design come to life.